I'm sitting here today trying to really figure out like what's important. What should I be doing? What's my purpose? If you would have asked me this question prior to the development or the spread of COVID-19, I would have told you about me at the end of this long journey to procure my PhD in criminology, law, and justice. I probably would have talked about different career paths I wanted to take, different social issues I wanted to address, different communities I wanted to advocate for. But this COVID-19 situation that has not only impacted me from a personal perspective, but impacted my family, my community, my city, my state, my country, and the entire world, makes me refocus my intention and really think about what's important. One of the things I noticed in this particular situation is the real disparity between whites and African Americans in terms of equity. In Illinois alone, there has been to date 13,500 people tested positive, and of that 13,500, 380 have died. In Illinois, African Americans make up 15% of the population, with whites making up right about 70. Now, what's interesting is out of the 380 deaths, 284 of them was African American. African Americans make up 72% of the people that died from COVID in Illinois. This situation has really magnified for people in Illinois in particular the need for social equity, the need for investment to be made in communities that have lack. It really has opened the eyes of better health care for individuals in more impoverished communities. And it really opened our eyes to the importance of supporting everyone, because by supporting everyone, we help ourselves. So after all of this is over, I hope we move toward a more united front in Illinois and more towards social equity between different races. And it's not just from an economical perspective, but also giving individual communities that are marginalized and have been oppressed and criminalized for so long an opportunity to have the same type of medical care, the same type of education, the same type of access to food, the same type of housing as their white and Latino counterparts. Because in doing so, we make the whole city healthy. And as long as we continue to be segregated based upon race and class, we're going to have these disparaging numbers. So it's my hope afterwards that we move towards social equity, collaboration, and unity. Thank you.